Hi everyone, Bearson here. Oh, and welcome to another episode of the animated series of the Bearsons. Okay, now as you can see, I'm out here at the moment because I'm just getting some fresh air here. Oh, at this time I'm at a different location here. So as you can see, well, we have the bush, and we even got some traffic lights over there. Which is pretty cool though. Yeah, and as you can see, there's that little path just down there. Oh, and if you're wondering, have I told my mum and dad that I've just had to pop out for fresh air? Yes, I did. And it's because I just wanted to be alone for a bit. Oh, and don't worry, I now love Betty for good. So anyways, now, if you want to know what today's cartoon is all about, well, it's about Walter Peck, who just wouldn't stop playing with a fire alarm. Now that is a big mistake there. So that you know, viewers, never mess with fire alarms, because you could get into big trouble for that. So anyways, enjoy the cartoon whilst I go and have a walk around.
Alright then, family. Right, we're back at Ghostbusters now, but who on earth is that? You two, do you two remember watching Ghostbusters? Well, I have heard of Ghostbusters. Why? Well, I believe, Ben, that's Walter Peck, and he was going to play with a fire alarm. Oh, heck no! Yeah, do you know what, Ben? That's what I said. Anyways, well, I think that it's something to do when the building was getting shut down, because he was the one who caused his fire. Oh, yeah, now I remember, because that's when Peter Fengelman has just told Walter Peck to get away from the fire alarm, because Walter Peck didn't realise that he just don't make the ghosts come back. Oh yes. Oi, you! Huh? Who said that? Me, and not just me, but us. Oh no, as I should have guessed, it was the Bearson family that Peter was trying to tell me about. Well, see me, evil spinner. You do realise that evil spinner's not here, because she's turned into a spinny now. And what are you doing? Ah, well, you see, well, I only just wanted to shut down the building, so I just thought I'd just switch the fire alarm off. And not only the fire alarm, but I'm also to switch everything off. So that counts as playing with a fire alarm. Oh, heck no! Yeah, that's what I said. Now, anyways, you are not to play with the fire alarms. Because I swear to God, if you do that, as Chloe always suggested, you will be going into a timeout corner. You can't seriously be doing that to me. I'm a full grown-up man. Says the man who keeps playing with the fire alarms. I do not play with the fire alarms. Then how come you just admitted it? Well, I'd say I did not. You, I think you would. No, I wouldn't. Yes, you would. Would not. Would to. Would not. Would to. Would not. Would to. Would not. Would to. Would not. Like that. Quiet, you two. Yeah, you tell him, Barry. You need to stay out of this, little brown bear. Or should I just say, a little fat brown bear. Little fat brown bear. Walter Peck? Oh no. Oh yes. You know me. I don't like being called that. Right, that's it. You're asking for it. Oh no. Ow! Ow! Stop! 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 Oh, stop! Stop! Stop punching me! Stop it! Are you going to stop playing with a fire as my Uncle Auntie told you? Why? Well, because playing with fire alarms is very wrong. Oh, come on, but I was just to shut it down. Stop it. Say so. Promise us you will. No. Oh, say it, mister. Okay, okay. I'll find some place not to play with fire alarms again. Just stop. Oh, oh, help me, please. Help us, splinters. Oh, oh. Oh, boy. Uncle Andy, do I have to be put in a timeout corner? No, Barry, but I understand you got a bit mad. Well, only because he called me a fat little bear. Well, I know you're not fat, Barry. You're not fat at all. Ah, well, that's good. Right, I think that we ought to put him in a timeout corner. Don't we, Uncle Andy? Yes, in fact, we're going to lift him up. Yeah, let's do it. Oh, and don't worry, Furious. Now, I think that we'll put him in timeout corner. So, glad that we managed to stop him from doing it. So, it's time to end the cartoon so quickly. Oh, and can somebody please end this cartoon before he struggles again? Thank you. And end of the cartoon.
Well, viewers, did you enjoy the cartoon? Well, if you did, good. Yeah, because I'm so glad that me and my family had to stop Walter Peck from playing with a fire alarm. Yeah, that is very serious. Oh, and don't ask why do we have to put him in a timeout corner? Well, you really don't want to know. Well, not until the next couple of episodes anyway. But anyways, I better say goodbye now. Bye bye everyone. See you next time. Bye bye. And remember this, viewers, never mess with fire alarms. Well, I certainly don't want to do that. Well, the end. Ding-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling.